Hey students, this is Mr. Jackson. Welcome to another Monday morning on distant asynchronous learning. I am I'm posting up assignment today on the difference between the North and the South. I did not post up you a Friday assignment. I wanted you guys to have a 3-day weekend. So I just said, you know what, let them have a 3-day weekend. But here we are on Monday, so we're started all over again, and we do have work to do. And one of those things that you're going to look at today is you're going to look at the difference between the North and the South and why these two different. You're going now. Last class, I think you were here. We took a look at. Let me pull that up. When you were here with me, not when you were in school, we looked at the difference between what an urban environment versus a rural environment. We kind of went through all of these, and we talked about what was Loudoun County, were we urban, were we rural, and why was that important. And the reason why we went over that, students, is because I wanted you to see that the North and the South were very different in everything: politics, religion, uh, social. In other words, how they communicated with each other. They were very different. The North was much more urban, which you guys always said was cities, factories, jobs. People actually went to job from 9 to 5, and then they came home. Whereas the South was much more rural, what you guys all said was country, farmland, agriculture. People worked on farms and had enslaved African Americans uh, working for them. And so that life was very different when you look at the two different dynamics of how people live. Well, we're going to examine those because that's going to lead us as we go through journey through this. We're starting Civil War officially this week. As we journey through Civil War, we start with talking about why they were so different. Your assignment today is you're going to look at a video that I posted up, and that video is going to share with you the political and social differences. And the guy goes on to talk about seven, five, six differences. You're to pick three of them that speak to you, and then you just write about one. Pick three of them that he talks about, and then write about one. Okay? Other than that, thank you. You guys have a great Monday, and I will see you on Tuesday and Wednesday. Take care. Bye.